a little less lonely now. There's a lot more startups in the New York tech scene, and the ecosystem has gotten a lot wider. The footprint is pretty exciting to watch. I think it's unfortunate. We've talked about this before. I think that it's a little bit of an uninteresting debate because really tech people have to think of themselves as being global from day one, and the idea that they're centered in any particular city is more a commentary on the kinds of talent that are in that city, the kinds of infrastructure that exists there, and the ability that businesses see that they can grow. I think regardless of what people say about the New York tech scene, all of those factors exist there. So it's something you can't write off. Well, my feelings are that the next wave of billion-dollar companies are going to come where the best talent is. And so I really see the potential for New York being pretty unlimited. I know people speak a lot about media being, sort of the sector to watch, or retail or commerce. I actually don't agree with that. I mean, for instance, Collective Eye is a hardcore tech company, and we fundamentally believe that we could find the best talent in New York and the best people who would understand how business operates on a very fundamental level, whether it's drawing from finance or advertising or other sectors that have particular specialties. So I think you're going to see a lot of surprises come out of New York that people weren't anticipating, and not from sectors that they necessarily believed in initially. So I think it would be nice to have some VCs that were willing to take bigger bets. I think most of those still exist in Silicon Valley, and I think that will change very, very rapidly because there's so many great companies percolating here that it's almost impossible for them to ignore. I think I want to make sure that the local government in New York City recognizes the importance of tech, because I think it really will become a competition globally for which cities are most amenable to this particular kind of industry, which is not the same as other industries like finance and more traditional industries that don't require the same sort of resources.